Model number is a2152. This iPad came to the shop, most of the time doesn't turn on. It showed the Apple logo and the restart. It showed the pink screen, and sometime it charge, sometime no. So there is a couple of issues. So this issue is a common for iPad Pro, the newer one, and the iPad Airs, the newer one. So you can try the first thing before you go do the charging IC, battery, or any other motherboard repair. You can try this first. So now, because I've unplugged it a couple times, so the iPad is start charging. But if I disconnect the headphone jack and proximity sensor and light sensor, you can see now it's go to 70 or 700 milliamp. It's go to 0. You can see now the iPad is plugged in, but it's not charging. So when we connect back this flex cable, now it's charging, even the screen is off. But if we disconnect it, so it shows it's charging 700 milliamp, but when the screen goes off, it's go to 0. So when the cable connected, still charging, still 700, even the screen is off. So this connector here, it's go bad, this flex cable, so we are gonna replace it. And that's the first thing, because I do have these ones in stock. So sometime charging, not charging, this could be, that's the issue. See, it's still 0, and you jump it to the 900 milliamp. Even this headphone cable can control the charge for the iPad.
So still charging at 900.
The headphone flex cable can cause the iPad to stuck in the
looping mode and to stop the iPad from charging. One screw here.
It's working.
Yahoo!
And this is what was wrong with it. So this all for this quick video. Thank you for watching. See you again.